Okay, so let's try to make a pentagon whose edge is on this red axis. So I'm going to click my polygon. I want it 5 sides to make sure that this is 5. So 5, press enter. And then I wanted to see more of the sky. So if I can see more of the sky, then I can see that my edge is going to be, my polygon will turn green. I simply put center and simply click on it like this one. And then we can now move this polygon, make sure that this polygon, this corner is exactly on the red axis. Okay, so I'm going to double click the polygon to select. I'm going to use the move command. I'm going to click this corner and then I'm going to raise it up. Okay, and then hold the shift key. And then while I'm raising it, I can also pull it down. I want it to be exactly on that red axis, so I'm going to click on the origin here, and then now I know that it's exactly on the red axis. So sometimes you might have this on this edge, and so all you're going to do is click that and then pull it closer, hold the shift key, and then point to the origin so it's on that red axis. Next thing that I wanted to do is I want this edge, I want this edge here in the bottom to be on the red axis. So to make that on the red axis, I'm going to do a rotate. I'm going to point to the face. I'm going to press my shift key to hold it and then point to the corner, let go of my shift, and then click on the other corner. And now I can now drag that down so it's now parallel to the red axis. So I click that. Now I am sure that it is exactly on the red axis. Okay. I want to make this into a group, so I'm going to use my selection tool, and then I'm going to right click and then make it a group, and then now it's a group. What I wanted to do is I want to stretch this up. So in order to stretch it up, I'm going to use the scale tool, and then this tool will make this pentagon grow by clicking on the corner, and it will grow. Okay, corners, it will make it grow. Right? But if I wanted to stretch it, I can simply click on this middle point here and then try to stretch it. There you go. Okay. So I can stretch that pentagon. It's still a pentagon, still 5-sided, but it's not a regular pentagon anymore. Okay. And then I can use my double click to edit the group and then push pull to push that 6 inches. Okay. And that's basically a pentagon, but it's not a regular pentagon. And I wanted to create a hole here, and that hole is the same shape of a pentagon. Whatever shape I have, I want my hole to be the same shape. And I wanted the hole to be smack in the middle here, and it is, let's say, 6 inches away from the edges. So to do that, I'm going to use one command, click here, and we're going to use the offset command. The offset command, when I click, will enable me to offset any edge. So I'm pointing to the edge. So any edge that I'm pointing at, I simply click and then drag it inside and then type in how far do I want to offset it. So I want to offset 6 inches. So 6, press enter, and there you have it. You now have another shape inside that is exactly the same shape as what we have. Okay. And what we're going to do now is we're going to push and pull this one and push it and touch the back corner so it creates that hole, and that's basically what we wanted to do. So I want you to practice creating a stretch pentagon and then use the offset command to make a hole for your next practice. So go ahead and save this and do that by yourself.